Dentists are keeping this secret from you. Squeeze toothpaste into a container. Add baking soda and a capful of mouthwash. Close the container and mix everything together. This mixture works better than regular toothpaste. The baking soda removes stains, while the mouthwash freshens and kills bacteria. Your teeth become cleaner and whiter. Apply this to the back of your neck, and migraines may no longer be a problem. Put a small amount of VapoRub on your finger and gently spread it over the back of your neck and around the neck area. Place a spoon against the skin and slowly massage to help the ingredients absorb and relax tense muscles. The cooling effect of VapoRub combined with the cold spoon brings quick, soothing relief. Place baking soda on your neck. You'll be amazed by the effect. Many people are unaware of how wonderfully baking soda works. Baking soda can not only be used for baking or cleaning, but it is also an exceptional cosmetic product. Take a bowl and pour a tablespoon of baking soda into it. Baking soda is an excellent antibacterial, brightening, and pH-stabilizing agent for the skin. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the baking soda. Coconut oil is commonly used for frying in many households. It has remarkable properties for hair care. But lately, it is increasingly being used for whole body care. Mix the baking soda with the coconut oil. Take a lime and squeeze out its juice. Lime juice tones the skin. It soothes skin irritations and inflammations. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the prepared mixture to the skin of your neck. Spread it on the nape. Apply a small amount and leave it on for several minutes. You can also apply such a mixture to elbows, knees, skin under the arms, hands, and face. Do this once a week, and your skin will be healthier. This is an irreplaceable homemade mask for fighting acne. But not only that, blemishes and redness will disappear from the skin. You'll get rid of pimples, spots, and irritations. The skin will brighten and achieve a uniform color. For just a few pennies, you have a universal cosmetic product that you can use on your entire body's skin. Place baking soda on the back of your neck, and you'll never have this problem again. Few people realize how incredible baking soda's properties are. While it's mostly associated with baking and cleaning, it can also be an excellent cosmetic. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a bowl. Baking soda is a natural agent with antibacterial, brightening, and pH-regulating properties. Now, take coconut oil. If it's solid, simply place it in a small bowl and microwave it for a few seconds until it melts. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the bowl. Besides its kitchen uses, coconut oil is fantastic for hair and skin care. Mix both ingredients and apply the resulting paste to the back of your neck. A small amount is enough. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. This mixture can also be used on elbows, knees, armpits, hands, or even the face. Regular use once a week will make your skin healthier, brighter, and more even-toned. It's an essential homemade mask, also great for fighting acne. It helps fade discoloration and gives you an affordable, versatile skincare solution for your entire body. Place an ice cube between your thumb and index finger. Hold it there for 3 seconds. This spot is connected to nerves that lead toward the head. That's why cold can weaken the discomfort signals and bring noticeable relief. You can get a similar effect by placing an ice cube on the back of your neck. It's an ideal solution when you're dealing with a migraine. The cold works directly on tense muscles, reducing the feeling of pressure and tightness in the head. I discovered the reason why the letter M appears on the palm. It turns out that only some people have it. Look at your hands now. Does the letter M appear on both of your hands? Or only on one? Or perhaps not at all? Let me know in the comments which group you belong to. The hand on which the letter appears matters. Chiromancy, or palm reading, was practiced in ancient Greece. According to them, there are 2 hands, passive and active. The active hand is the one we use when writing. If the letter appears on it, it signifies a strong character. To spot it, you should look at the lifeline, which is closest to the thumb. It should connect both with the headline and then merge into the fate line. The final line forming this letter should be the visible heart line. It's a very rare symbol, indicating happiness and success. The fingerprint lines forming the letter M are found in people exceptionally blessed by fate. These are individuals who achieve success in their careers. They often choose careers influencing people, such as journalism, politics, or finance. They stand out with exceptional intuition and great inner strength. The letter M on the palm appeared in the hands of great prophets and leaders. I put a towel into hot water and get rid of a stubborn problem in a simple way. This home remedy has been known for years. Grab a pan and fill it with water. Bring it to a boil. Hot water activates all the ingredients. Now add some table salt. Salt not only improves heat conduction, but also helps release tension, making the mixture more effective. Next, pour in a little alcohol, about 1 tablespoon. It warms the body and helps the ingredients blend together. The most important part is VapoRub. Add about 1 tablespoon and let it dissolve in the boiling mixture. The menthol and eucalyptus gently cool and refresh, while camphor relaxes and adds comfort. Combined in hot water, these ingredients create a powerful, soothing mixture. Now take a small towel, soak it well, squeeze out the excess water, and place it warm on your neck or knee. Leave it for a few minutes and let the heat and active ingredients sink in. You'll feel warmth, relief, and relaxation. This simple trick speeds up recovery, boosts your energy, and makes you feel lighter in no time. Pour olive oil on your neck, and it will change your life. Don't hesitate to try it out. The use of olive oil extends beyond just cooking. There's a reason it's been used in various ways since the time of Cleopatra up to today. And I'll show you how you can use it to your advantage. Before you experience its effects when applied to the neck, see what else I use it for. Soak bay leaves in olive oil for a few days, then apply it to your face, neck, hands, or other parts of your body. It's an elixir for irritated skin. Use it every night to reduce facial spider veins. Within a few days, your skin will be beautiful and moisturized. Apply 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your foot if you're suffering from a sprained ankle or strained tendons. It works like a painkiller. If you want to boost your immunity, use garlic. Prick several cloves with a toothpick and soak them in olive oil. Leave it for 10 days. Take 2 tablespoons in the morning every day. You'll feel much more energetic. Olive oil is also perfect for relieving neck discomfort. Take a bunch of fresh rosemary or a tablespoon of dried and put it in a bowl. Then pour olive oil over it. Add a little bit of alcohol. Leave it for a day in a dark place. Then spread and massage it into your neck. You'll see that it will alleviate the pain. This method will also bring you soothing relief. If your neck feels tense, try these 3 simple exercises. Place your thumbs on the lower part of your neck and slowly move them upward toward the back of your head. Then, make loose fists and massage your neck with your knuckles, moving from the sides toward the center. Finally, place your palms on the upper part of your neck and slowly slide them forward toward your shoulders. These easy moves help release tension, lower blood pressure, and bring relief around your head.